get the starter out, or at least loosened. So I think we've got, the header's a nightmare. One bolt there, I don't know if you can see that, and one bolt up top. The wrong angle here. God damn. I put that on tight. I can't help but feel that this might be easier to take the headers off, but I don't want to. That itself is a pain in the arse. You've got to drain all the coolant out the engine because they go into the water jacket, the header bolts, and attach to the head. Success! Now it may be that I have a mini starter for this car, but the gear pitch on the starter versus the flywheel, or pressure plate, whatever you want to call it, wasn't correct, so I had to take it out and put a normal full-size one in. But it may be that with the other transmission, the new transmission, that we can use the mini starter, which means it might be easier to move around without taking the header off. I'm not quite sure. You know, fit. Well, we shall see. That is down the line. Oh, okay, I think it's pretty loose there. I can't see what I'm doing, but starter's away. Fine, right, starter's out. So now, question is, do I leave these lines in? I don't think they're going to be a problem because they're up against the body. Yeah, I'll leave them in for now. Okay, so starter's out. Now we've got to get the bell housing. Get this plate off here. I do have an 11mm wrench, but it's too far away. Okay. There we have our flex plate torque converter. It's cracked. rest is off. They are all off. Okay, that's, yeah, I can see it's starting to gap. Right. So now, yes, look, there we go. Muffler system. Looking surprisingly dirty considering it's never been out in the rain. Okay, oh, around this way. That's the bit I'm not looking forward to. We'll get to that another day. Right, so this is surprisingly heavy. Right. Okay. One transmission jack. Ratchet on there or electric drill, whatever. Okay, well, let's get this thing set up. So, let's try and pass that strap around. Still got to take the oh, can't see a thing. The light, blinded by the light. That's got to go around with the transmission. Okay, we'll get that up higher. Right, so it should angle. They're loose. That is loose. Okay. That's nice and loose. Dipstick. That has got to come out. Yeah, for sure. Okay. It's just an O-ring if I remember. There we go. Oh god. No! Oh shit. Lovely. Ooh, look, sparklies. Yeah, like I say, she's done some miles. Or maybe not, just been abused. Talk to me, Goose. What are you trying to do here? What are you trying to do? Okay. The old vice grip challenge. Tappy tappy. Really? I say. Why not? Okay. Making a mess again. Look at that. Couldn't have been any easier. Thank you, Amazon. That was the best 150 bucks I ever spent. Yeah, not going to get it out. I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Whoop. 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 Gallons of freaking oil everywhere. God. It'll be alright once it's all cleaned up. Okay, there we go. So the starter can live there. It's probably going to be a problem hanging around like that, but we'll see. So I've got to remove this, and I've got a brand new flywheel. Clutch, everything. Suppose we could take that off now. Let's do that.